We are live.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
How is everybody today? I'm Emily Dawkins.
I'm Kristen Marin.
And today we are going to be talking about one of my very favorite things. It is our Bailey's engagement ring home try-on kit.
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Kristen here helped put it all together and is a resident diamond expert here at Bailey's. So any diamond questions you have for her, engagement ring questions, go ahead, put them in the comments and she can answer them all.
Absolutely.
So to start, let me show you our engagement ring try-on kit here. It's gonna come with 3 engagement ring styles of your choice. You just head to baileybox.com and you pick your 3 favorite styles. So it's 11 different settings and you pick the center stone for each one. So any shape that you want, you go ahead and pick that, add it to your kit, and we'll send it to you. Every kit comes with an OPI, baby take a vow. Isn't that cute?
That's adorable.
Right? Nail polish. And then 3 bands, so you can kind of get a feel of how that's actually gonna look day to day when you stack that engagement ring with your wedding band. So that's the kit. You create it online. And so I know these look very luxurious, very glamorous. They are samples. The real thing is gonna be even better. These are actually not samples. These are real diamonds that we got out for today, but usually it would be a CZ center and then a high quality metal alloy. So it's not the real thing, but it looks just like it. And it gives you the ease of being able to try it on at home, wherever you are, without coming in the store. So there's that. And then that will all come with this handy dandy kit that gives you instructions. So you're gonna paint your nails, you're gonna try it on, you're gonna snap a picture, show the gals, tell your mom, and then you're gonna learn all about our engagement ring. And then probably go ahead and communicate that to your fiance to be, just so when you get your ring on that day, it goes on your finger.
Yeah, there's nothing worse than putting the ring on, it doesn't go over your knuckle. It ruins the moment.
How awkward. It'll be fine though. If it happens, it'll be fine. But I think something that Kristen can really help us with today is talking about the diamond selection process. So the ring try-on kit is a great way to select your setting and your diamond shape, but I'd love to talk about the diamond selection process that comes after you get a feel for what styles you're leaning towards.
So what I always recommend to people is try them all on, try different shapes on. You won't know. It's so easy to go onto Instagram or Pinterest and kind of look and be like, oh, I love the way that looks, but that's not your hand. That's someone else's hand. And so you need to definitely try them on. You might be surprised with what you like. I love the more elongated shapes, like an oval or an emerald cut. We have some, now these are diamonds right here. We have some out. I have an emerald, a round, a radiant, and an oval. These are like the 4 most popular shapes right now.
A radiant.
I know,
Ooh,
it's sneaking in.
exciting.
I love it. What I love about it too is that it gives you the brilliance of a round, but the rectangular shape of an emerald cut. And so it's nice and elongated. It's very angular. It's a nice alternative to an oval.
Okay.
They also come square as well. So if you just like that,
Oh, you can have a squared look with it. Oh,
exactly.
How exciting is that?
Yes. So these are like our most popular shapes at the moment, and I love the elongated because it makes your fingers look longer. It just feels very like luxurious, but also, classic with a twist. Round is always going to be the most classic. But
The most classic. We love the brilliance. We love the sparkle.
yes, exactly. But not everybody likes the way it looks on their hand. So that's why there's all these different shapes.
Yeah, that's a good point.
And so then once you try those on, you kind of get a feel for, the shape that you like and the way that it looks on your hand. And then if you guys are doing the whole process together, we take a look at some loose diamonds and you pick whatever pick the shape, pick the size, pick the color. You got to figure out what's most important to you. Is it size? There's no shame in that.
There's no shame in that.
No shame in wanting a really big diamond.
It's most important to me.
Yes, right? Same. So, if it's size, then that's kind of where I would recommend going, or if it's quality or anything like that. And then once there, then you can pick the style that you want. And these are custom made for you. Like custom created for the diamond that you pick. It's custom made for you.
Yeah.
Which I love because you can kind of...
It's special to you. It's unique to you. There's no
Exactly.
ring that's going to be exactly the same.
Exactly.
And I think it's...
No, go.
I think it's good to think of all of these 11 setting styles as examples. Like if you wanted to make a tweak, if you were like, well, on the Elizabeth it has, right here, it has pear-shaped side stones. But if you're like, you know what, I really wanted a shield shape or something like that, we
Or
can
a
absolutely do
trapezoid.
it. Anything you want.
Absolutely.
So these are great examples.
Yes, exactly. Great examples of what you could do. What's your favorite?
Okay, my favorite. Let's get into the nitty gritty,
Okay.
shall we? We're gonna have you quiz me. You can
Okay.
hand them to me,
Okay,
and
yeah,
I'll
for sure.
tell you about them. Ooh, hope I get it right.
Okay.
We can start with my favorite.
This one.
Yes. Oh, you know what's my favorite? My very favorite is the Wallace. It is an emerald cut set in. Well, actually, it comes in round and emerald cut, but of course, they're custom made. If you wanted this in a heart, in a marquee, whatever you want, we
Absolutely.
can bezel it. But this sort of where the metal goes all the way around the diamond, that is a bezel setting. So this is an emerald cut bezel, our Wallace setting, and it is my very favorite.
It's beautiful.
So clean. That diamond is so protected in there. And diamonds are hard. They don't require a lot of protection, but if you're a safety fanatic like I am,
I'm also super clumsy.
yeah, it just makes me feel a little better. It's just cozy in there.
Well, and I love the way that it's set up higher too, so a band will fit nice and flush. So if you wanted,
wow.
you put something like that, and look how it sits right next to that ring.
That's so
I
satisfying.
know. There's no space. There's no gap, and it you can like build a whole stack around your wedding set.
You know,
which
it's
I love.
comfortable too, which is the best. It's always good. We always recommend, like, even if you don't want to come in on the store and try on, which is why you should try this on at home.
Yes.
Try it on. You want to make sure it's comfortable. And the good thing about this is we let you keep this. The kit's $100. We let you keep it for 7 days, and when you return in 7 days, we give you a $100 Bailey's gift card. And if you're like me, like I certainly spend that much at Bailey's
100%.
often. So really, there's no loss here, and you have those 7 days to sort of live in it and make sure that's going to be a comfortable style for your lifestyle, which is important. So I love that about it.
That's awesome.
But the Wallace, I'll
I
give
know,
her,
it's
I'll give her back to
beautiful.
you.
I know, she's gorgeous.
All right. Now let's talk about you. What's your favorite?
I love a 3-stone. My own
Okay.
engagement ring's a 3-stone. I love, and I just like a 3-stone. I feel like it's really balanced. I've always loved this one.
The Juliet. Ooh, how
With the
romantic.
really classic, you have the baguettes, you have the round in the center. Again, it's got that raised design so that a wedding band will fit really nicely next to it.
I love that.
But I think it's beautiful. Here, try it on.
Oh my gosh. I would be delighted. Thank you.
Alyssa is checking in. She said she doesn't know what looks better, the quesadilla or the diamonds.
I'm very
Wow.
excited about the quesadilla,
quesadilla
so
looks good.
I hear you on that.
Our lunch today is from the fabulous Cantina 18.
Yum.
We love it. You guys find us there. Come see us.
We're there all the time.
It's amazing. But yes, I have salad, but I'm kind of jealous. Maybe
I'll share.
Oh,
Don't
thank
worry.
you. I was hoping you'd say that. If I say it on camera, you have to,
Of
right?
course, yeah. Those are the rules.
But again, this is the Juliet. You can pick your center stone, and it comes with tapered baguettes. But like we said before,
You could do different shape. You could do
Yeah.
shields. You could do trapezoids. You could do rounds. A classic round 3-stone. You
a
can't go
classic
wrong with
round
that.
3-stone we love. Yeah. I believe Marcy's original engagement ring was 3 round diamonds. Or no, was it Princess?
it was
Actually,
Princess.
Princess
It's
cut.
Princess.
Yeah. I knew it was a
Anyway.
3-stone, but that's all right.
I'm just making facts up today. It's the rain.
Right. So you know what I'm seeing more people request is yellow gold.
Interesting. My favorite.
I know yellow gold is
Uh-huh.
it's a fun. I feel like we've kind of gone back. It's a little retro, but it's with a twist. So it's not. This is not the styles of the 80s where it's this thick, heavy yellow. Well, actually, that is coming back.
I was gonna say, I was like, sort of.
But not for your wedding ring.
Yeah.
And so that's why I love this is the daisy, and we have it with. It's actually it comes. You can do it. You can kind of customize it. Again, this is custom made for you. So you have a round in the center, but we did a cushion halo for it, which I think is a really fun way to combine both. Because some people like a more square shape on their hand, but they want a round because they love the brilliance of a round. And this is kind of like a nice happy medium.
An absolute happy medium.
And I love it in the yellow gold. Again, a nice side profile. I think this is
Our
so
daisy.
pretty. This is our daisy. And this is a live
Yeah.
ring. This is a beautiful carat and a quarter round diamond. I love it.
So that's not a sample. That's the real
This
deal.
is the real deal. He's for sale and waiting for someone to come get him.
Ladies, did you hear it? It could be yours. It could be yours. And then will you tell them about this one?
Yes.
Also a daisy.
Also the daisy. So if you can see the difference between the two, you have your cushion halo in the yellow, and then you have the round halo with the round diamond. Both round diamonds, but just a little bit of a twist.
Ooh, it's a
Customize
little bit
it
of a
however
twist.
you want.
Anything you can dream, we can do at Bailey's.
Exactly.
I will say that every time I am on this show.
Yes. Yes. Our custom jewelers are amazing. I call them wizards. They can
wizards.
do. They are. They're just
Yeah.
wizards in the back. They do amazing work.
Yeah, they're actually right behind us.
Yes.
Should we give a sneak
Working
peek?
away. We won't bother them now.
Yes.
All right.
What's your next
Should we do
favorite?
my next favorite? I don't know. I'm kind of ready for a quiz. You want to do a quiz?
Sure.
All right. Hand me a prompt.
All right.
I'm ready.
All right.
Okay. This is the June. So, okay, correct me if I'm wrong. That's a single prong, right?
Yes. Single prong.
So this is beautiful, especially if you're looking, oh gosh, it looks great on the finger. If you're looking for something with a little bit more of a diamond look, instead of your standard pave shank, this has single prong set diamonds. I believe there's 5 or 6 on each side of that center stone, and it is beautiful. This looks great if you pair it with a single prong band.
And I love that you can see the outline of the diamonds on the band too, so it kind of looks like they're floating on your hand.
Oh wow, yes it does. Do you guys see that?
I love it.
Amazing. And again, pick your center stone. This is a lovely round brilliant cut
It
sample
looks
here.
beautiful with an emerald cut. I know. Can you imagine?
I cannot. 'Cause then you get the beautiful round brilliant and the shank, and then the long clean lines of the emerald on top.
Yep.
Oh, swooning. I'm swooning. Okay, I'll give that back to you. I'm ready for my next test.
All right. The next one is.
Who is she? She's Grace. She's beauty and she's
Beauty and
Grace.
She's Grace.
She's Miss United States at Bailey's. So this is Grace. We've got a beautiful princess setting there. This is a white gold sample, of course. This is our most classic. Would you say it's one of our most popular settings?
Yes. One like
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So she's a cathedral, and so I'll show you. I recently learned what that means. So, oh, I wonder who's a Tiffany over here. Who's a Tiffany setting?
This one.
Okay, this one. So this is exciting, guys. Okay, so a Tiffany setting is like this, and then a cathedral setting looks like this. And the way that I remember this is a little bit funny, but a cathedral is a church, and a church has a chapel, and a chapel has a steeple.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
And so it goes up like this because we're going to chapel to get married.
I love it.
It goes like this, just like a steeple. So sorry, everyone. Now you know.
That's the perfect way to remember.
Right?
Yeah, it is.
Exactly.
It's perfect. I love it.
We're going to chapel, get married.
Yes.
Cathedral. Okay, so that is Grace. We also have a live Grace with us. So I'll let you talk about her.
Yes.
Since she has a
She has a real
lovely
diamond in there.
section.
So this is a carat 78 diamond in there. So just under 2 carats, a little over carat and 3/4 in yellow gold. This is an 18 karat yellow gold. It has that beautiful cathedral style. Again, a band fits so nicely next to it.
Ooh, I like that.
You can just kind of look at it like that. Hair so well, so pretty, so classic. You just can't go wrong. That's why it's called Grace, like Grace Kelly.
Oh, wow.
She's so classic.
She is classic. She's lovely.
I know.
To be Grace Kelly. Maybe one day. Probably not for me.
I know.
Another thing I'm going to talk about is hidden halos.
So
So I'd
popular.
say more and more people are asking for a hidden halo. And so a hidden halo is just a little bit of a diamond detail that is under the diamond rather than around the diamond. So this is our Rosamond style, and also our Maria also has a hidden halo. I wonder where she is.
This one. With
Oh
the,
yeah.
Oval.
So we've got, this one's a round brilliant and this one's an oval, but they've both got that beautiful hidden halo detail. And I do want to mention that these are our rose metal samples, so you can pick your metal color for every single one of these. I'll give these back to you. You can pick between white, yellow, and rose. So whatever your style is, you can have it. And we also have 1 yellow band and then 2 white, but of course, with bands, sky's the limit. If you come in, we can send you a picture of what we have, all the metals, all the shapes, everything.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what should we do? Maybe our 3 stones now? We've talked a little bit about the Elizabeth and the Juliet. So those are right there. The Elizabeth is going to have the pear-shaped side stones,
That's beautiful.
and the Juliet is going to have tapered baguettes. Those are both super classic 3-stone styles. They will never go out of style.
No, they won't.
We love them. So those are beautiful, beautiful. And then let's talk about Holly. Holly is such a fun, unique girl. Yes.
Little twisted shank.
She has a beautiful.
hand.
Thank you. Wow.
I'm wearing all my rings. You gotta be the one to try them on.
I came ready.
You did.
So this is Holly. She has a beautiful pave twisted shank. And it's just a little something different. And I do still feel like you could easily stack a band with that.
Oh, absolutely.
I think
Yeah.
very comfortably. So that is Holly. She's fun. She's a little different. And she comes in all of the center stones, all the shapes. And then who's on the end there? Oh, we've got Daisy and Frida.
Yes, the differences between them.
Yes. So we talked about Daisy a little bit.
This one.
That's that one with the pave shank. And then Frida, similar, but with a plain shank.
No diamonds. And it does also have a cathedral side, whereas the Daisy does not. So you can kind of see the differences there. But this is, you know, it's a little understated.
Yeah.
You have that
I like
sparkle,
it.
you have that halo, but you have that plain shank, so you could do an all diamond eternity band for your wedding band. You could do a whole bunch of different shit. Like, there's so many things that you can do with it.
It's exciting.
I love it. And again, available in all the shapes. It'll be really pretty in a pair.
Ooh, it would be pretty in a pair. Oh, somebody come get that.
I know, right? Can someone please just come get all my ideas so that we can see them all together?
Just have a creation day.
Yes.
That'd be fun.
Oh, that would be fun.
Oh man. Okay. Well, I think. Oh, let me show you what comes with your ring trunk kit. I know I referenced this before, but you're gonna get this. You're gonna get a ring sizer, like we talked about before. Important to know the ring size. Important that fiance to be knows your ring size. So I'll show you how that works. But I also want to pull out something that I think is really cool. This is something that we have worked together to create. It's our Bailey's Diamond Guide. And pretty much every question you have about buying a diamond, where your diamond comes from, the 4 C's, it's all going to be in here. So it's a great thing to go ahead and look at before you go in and pick out your diamonds with the lovely Kristen here.
Yes.
Yes. So there's that. And of course, we're happy to answer your questions too. This is just kind of a good way to get that baseline knowledge, because this is a big decision and we want you to feel informed. So that's kind of the tools we've made for you to feel comfortable. Now our ring sizer. Okay, so it's just like a belt. You're gonna slip it on. Oh gosh, I'm getting a little nervous. Oh my goodness. I actually don't know my ring finger ring size.
Oh, well, this is a perfect way to figure it out.
Here we are.
Here we are. Okay, so we've got it on there, and then we're gonna pull. Might be a 2-hand. You might want to call a friend for this, to be honest.
There we go.
Also, this is a fun thing to do on girls' night, because not everyone's gonna say it, but everybody in there is gonna want to know their ring size. I promise you that.
How does that feel?
That feels lovely. Is it saying I'm a 5.5?
You are a 5.5.
Wow. Who knew? Certainly not me. Actually, that's too tight.
Too tight. Okay.
Trial and error.
Say something. Oh my goodness.
I was like,
I think
oh my
you're
God.
probably more like a 6 then.
Yeah. Ooh, much better. We love a 6. I was sweating there for a minute. I was like, it
Like
has a
your fingers
heartbeat.
turning purple.
Yeah, so I'm not a 5.5. I'm
No,
a 6.
size 6.
Everyone.
That's so handy.
It is handy. You can reuse it. You can share it. Go ahead and size all your fingers, because you might want some other jewels.
Yeah, your right hand gets lonely. It needs diamonds as well.
Yeah, you don't want it to feel left out.
No.
Of course, how horrifying.
Could be the worst.
Yeah, of course. Well, have we talked about all of our things?
I think so.
Okay.
We're always here if you have any questions. I think this is amazing.
Concerns. Yes. Hopefully none of those.
No,
but
hopefully
we'll
not.
fix it if you do.
Yes, absolutely. But I think this is it's an amazing tool. I wish this had been around when I was getting engaged. Then I could have just ordered it, tried a bunch of stuff on, instead of like, the trial and error that comes from it. So
And you can really take your time with it, which I think is nice.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. All right, ladies. Well, let us know if you have any questions, and you have a great day. Bye.